Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete the cutout stickers that you created on Instagram. So here, just click on the your story, like how you will make a story like this. Open your camera, and in here, I'm going to just add a picture first. So I'm going to just capture this, and after that, click on this sticker icon. Click on the sticker icon and this will show up. So these are my stickers that I created before, and to delete this from my Instagram, so just long press on the sticker that you want to delete. For example, this one, long press like this. So there will be a question, delete stickers. But if you already create reels, posts or stories that use this sticker, the sticker will still be visible, but I can access or use this sticker again. And if you are sure, just click on delete. Okay, just like that, the sticker has been deleted from my Instagram. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.